Kuble Pibaro Shagatup Khubor Jungi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Menta Kasngi Kilong. Kiar Lailum Laiwa Nigdrop Kilong Seminar ke SYM Shillong Province. Pelat Kilong Kami Nigikti Kipulit. Yok President Bethamai ke HYC Mount Hat Rashan Circle. But Lapenkut Yaka Voice of the Youth Haripoy District. But Mintangin Pa Shigi Khubor Bakam Banya. Salesian Youth Movement jong kaseng reunion Salesian Shillong Province rengkat kejing snok tilang jong ka Kripa Foundation Shillong kalapelong menta kasngi ya kalempung ai jingi kai ki samla pule bar ki khna school ki ban ki school ki ban lain kra bat ki jaka bamarjan halor kapang kumno ban ya kun persha ya kejing di drop palat lais pa ngut ki khna school bat ki no hikai ki laban Snap ye kijing hikai ban jing penshai na kinongkren ki betibet bha ki bekentup yo Professor Jamino Mautho General Secretary United Democratic Party Meglaya ba Iban Dingdo Deputy SP Kong Larissa Giri Lingdo Senior Councillor Kripa Foundation uba Adrian Millim President Meglaya Pradesh Youth Congress but ba Eddie Bosco Shadap Executive Member Salesian Youth Movement but United for Christ. Nakliang ke Don Bosco Media Network kalayok banyak keren berkikap tu kat ni ki kena skol ki bawani shimenta ka ni ke seminar tungin snap ya ke kabaki Don ban ong.
I just want to say as only a message that I want to give you this one. And so what is important for us young people like you, especially the students, is that we need to cultivate this one that we need to have this self-discipline.
Drugs can also affect how the brain and the rest of the body work and cause changes.
They were your friends. Just imagine what they must be going through, what their families must be going through. It really is a very saddening situation.
I am one person I've been through life that I can share at least something with you. If you can take it as an example or you can take it as an encouragement to take to your life so you can have something to talk about today.
Kakateng jonga di bawah nalan si banga huli haka school St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School but ngasong haka class 12 arts menta na kani ka program menta haka nakaliang jonga nakaliang jonga jung perkhat jonga warla dangim nim day ki ba shame ni kitu ki drugs ni ki barok ki barong abusive kadon kami ngi ban ki information na yaki ban yo knowledge syapang jong ki na marnila ban ai knowledge yaki parlok jongi yaki bahayi ngasem jongi ki ba don kum kanu problem ha riang jong ki drugs. From my side, the most touching part of this program is the last session that is given by Sir Eddie. It was so inspiring because it was all about his life experiences and the information that others give can be more inspiring if it is from the life experiences as that person has already experienced and he can give more information about on those problems.
Yes, according to me also it's the last session by Sir Eddie. It was very interesting and it was fun because the way he taught us, the way he gave example, it was in a very fun way, which was very interesting because we could interact more there, and then it was good because we could relate as he was giving his own example which was actually real, which was based on his life, which it was very interesting. Hence I think the last session was the most fun and very informative.
Kinong yalam jang ki kattu kat ni ki seng 3 months ngobha jang ka West Garo Hill sinin ka singi ka ar penyo trek jemang arjar arpuar kilalet banjirip ki kattu kat ni ki dukan hayo rongram ya ki balas suba bekini ki dukan kila de tam ki dor ki mor ki bakenthop ki marbam ba ki biri. Kinong yalam jong kini ki seng ki bakenthop udal seng bira CH Moment President ka Association for Democracy and Empowerment ADE Pritam Areng President ka Federation of Khasi Giant and Garo People FKJGP Garo Hills Unit but President ka Achik Youth Welfare Organization ka seng bak marak hakani ka jinglet kendra kila shabat no hakipulit jang ka West Garo Hills. Nakaliang USP ka West Garo Hills ulot mu ban set along yakishi made. Lekenoru bo SPU lekrup yaki mobile jong uway ni kinong ay khubor kat ba kidang ay jingkren halor kani ke jingja. De kilong kami ba kidukot jong kaseng Women's Trading Organization kabalawan ban pelat yaki na kani ke jingle jong USP.
시행학단한 겐 아우리고
GST 랑 거나 시만 아바니겠다. 텍스 코드 감났다는 게 달로 안쪽으로 아박바 플랍게 미리랑 텍스 프리 텍스 동자 스카탕 비숑 안쪽으로 아바이 달로 팔링아 우아성자 등탄다 부스트랑 빵아 너 가슴 증리 제가 작작자 그바 소모랑 겐 스몽 오바 또 달랄 그바 잡니 이슈랑나 감 가겐 스몽 오바 야네게 전천 그바 감랑나 제가 다리나가 아까 우니게만 달로 제가 돌브리 NGO 제가 잔치에 야고 제가 나밖에 제가 달로 제가 니로까점 우니 저는 중고 SP야 두라니 SP 비베카난 싱 라토르 달로 SP 야 안증니
Keseng HYC mau that Rashan Circle minta kesengi ke arpu pratorik ujemang arjar arpu ar kalapin kamti ki kam hakinongkit kam jong keseng da uba Robert June Karjarin u presiden keseng HYC sengkmi na kebentau snem arjar arpu ar hadu arjar arpusan hakani kesengi lay don langru usordar shnong kinshi bangla bat kiwe kiri rangba bat kit khot keseng HYC Uba Shembor Langrin ulayo ikam presiden ke HYC mau that Rashan Circle lapin chong shit yakani kesengi da usamla Gabriel Timaulong ubalarwai de gisur bapin mensi
bahapon mijit ita kinong yalam mijit sisa lagi ram kansai kiba kim yalam maki yangi om desu kiba ni hak manit batai kala mangi pat ba yaki natakadaw kanini hipor kanini challenging ya kaseng hibor koi kalong challenging ya ki snow di tau hibor koi ngasung to kinong ba snow ro mo tenrei Nakan tan rong ba snow ro ngade ni gal bahasa sose mentu di nakan tan tu de la next job job kidon ki bel kidon coba ngalap ba wat do kam snow ro itu kelar mo hajaka bentuk kelar ro punya skim ka snow gitu kelar ban ba wat energy itu kelar kidon sagi
Kidukot ke Federation of Khasi Jantan Garo People FKJGP ringkat bekinong para Klau jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kila yo obat ye kejip bolero kabala kitu ye kiding lembong da kajing kemuban Kaish Assam. Kinong para Klau GHADC begidukot ke FKJGP kila bat ye kini kejip asnong Oko Para Southwest Garo Hills District kabala kitu ye kiding claim da don ki permit bat kiwe kikot kisla ka Porsche teng sendia. La IT no ikani kakali how range forest officer jangka GHADC ubadon hakate gathan. Yaka voice of the youth ne kasurgi samla balapolong da kaseng samla shnong paham lapong paham so 3 nong po riboy district lapinwai no akajan mit jangka arpo pratorik ujemang da uba middle bonds aim emily kanong po constituency rengkat kajingadon lang urang ba shnong uba Matthew Makado bat kipat ba nong shnong Ketika program batang lais ngi la pelong kum shibenta ban sei madan ye kisamla badan sap hake imlang salang bat ban ai jing kai ki kumno ban ai kajing shakri shi para samla bekin nat ne kajing kerni hake jing di besniu kum udrok bat kiwe lekin thup apo kite ki lais ngi de ki program jing le kai ki bahap apo ke indo games bat kisamla ki bajap ki layo korea ka khusnam na ki kongsan
kajing ki kli kumno ban perlum perlang kajing ki kli kumno ban ai awareness Kejikit kini kau melawan pelong ye ke program kum ka quiz debate extempo speech pansel ye kisah kejikit kini kau melawan don kamen sim ban perli ye kisah lah ko basno kejikit kini kau melawan long kisah lah ki ba im haka akor ka burong kejikit priu display patun tak ni sultanat ban i bagi kun samla gitu ni central pak kentri film segi nagoran tagi ni kam gitu nalor ki program ki tamasa ki bapen kemen la kila ande ki yutuwi kila ande ki no program ki bagi penlong hantam di portlang nalor gitu ki dan ka komperkat nagam takumno pan kentiu ia akan memberi dari samla.
Bat daki tu ki khubor ngila poi syakabukun tak radu Bangladesh yang kublai shipon.